Welcome to a product review from our product line. Today we show you our saw blade with the item number 063442550, which is used for the orbital pipe cutting machine from Orbitalum and Axxair. The saw blade has a diameter of 63 mm and consists of 44 teeth. The best cutting results for this saw blade you create with pipe wall thickness from 2 mm up to 5 mm. Our Extreme Duration series are created for heavy duty and longest lifetimes through higher layers thickness of the coating. The special Ultra Performance Super A coating for incredible cutting lifetime, and with aluminium oxide, chromium and vanadium on the surface increase the operational temperature up to 900 degrees Celsius, and amorphous aluminium oxide forms protect the coating from further oxidation. Through better hot hardness, the specially coated saw blades outperforms lifetime if cutting stainless steel. The saw blade has a hole on it for fixing to the Axxair cutting machine.